Are your parents supportive of your hopes and dreams?
Yes, of course. My daddy, it's my role model, always support me and give me anything I wanted. Always telling me you are great, you are smart, you become a greatest doctor.
That is a good father.
Yes, of course. I said that it's my first day in this app. I don't know you and what's your job and
You want me to introduce myself?
yes.
Welcome to my live stream. My name is Dave, or you can call me Dhayfullah Ahmed Nu'man Qasim Sa'adudin Ali al-Qur'i. I am the face of HelloTalk.
What's your real job? Teacher, streamer?
I am a teacher and a live streamer, both.
Oh, so impressive.
Do you have any other further questions?
No.
I answered the question in a brief way that entails many details.
If I ask you to introduction, no.
You're having difficulty verbalizing your thoughts.
Yes.
You don't have an issue with vocalizing, but you have an issue with verbalizing.
Yes.
If you want it to become easier to verbalize your thoughts in English, then this is just a matter of practice.
Practice, yeah.
However, I think it's important to know who you are practicing with, because if you practice with the right person, they can
Like
accelerate
you.
your learning.